You've heard a lot about omega-3, but what is it and why should you care? Well, omega-3 is a type of fat that our bodies need but can't make on their own. But it's important to note that not all supplements are created equal. Some of the cheaper ones can have a fishy odor and taste, which is not very pleasant. They also may contain contaminants like mercury or lead, and it's important for many things, including brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation. But most people don't get enough of it. You can get omega-3 by eating fatty fish like salmon and sardines, or by taking a supplement. A high-quality omega-3 supplement will be purified to remove contaminants and will have a neutral odor and taste. It should also be tested for quality and potency. Look for one that's third-party tested and has a certificate of analysis. This will ensure that the product is pure and effective. So, if you're looking for a high-quality omega-3 supplement, do your research and find a reputable brand. Your body will thank you for it.